The chat box is a portal to interacting with our AI agent Zoe. You can ask any questions of Zoe and she will answer based on her knowledge of your underlying data model as well as the full power of an LLM. Here is an example chat. At first I asked a very simple question, what kind of metrics are available? Zoe will scan your data model for any existing data columns and any custom metrics that have been created for use in analysis. You can ask more complex questions such as chart total revenue for past 90 days compared to cost of goods sold, split out by product type and identify which states had the largest or smallest growth compared to the previous period. Again, Zoe will scan your data model for existing data columns or metrics that are available and create new metrics on the fly as needed. You can also ask Zoe questions directly using our transcribed voice feature. Based on the above data, which products would you recommend we improve our supply chain inventory going forward? Once she transcribes the text, simply click on the up arrow to enter the question. To start a new chat, you can click on the left-hand panel or click on the icon in the top left corner. Within a new chat, you can upload a file directly. This could be a CSV, a PDF, or an image file, for example. You can also change which LLM to use. There will be a default LLM based on what is set by the admins in your company. Different LLMs will have different approaches and depth of how she will answer questions.